I want to do a quick video on my handmade humidor. I made this humidor almost 20 years ago. It is made out of cherry. It's basically the whole box, the side, all four sides are one long piece of cherry wood that I cut. I did the joints are finger joints in the corners. I had a friend, neighbor that had some really nice equipment, and he had the knowledge and he showed me how to do all that. Very nice of him. The wood has gotten, it was like white, like pine when it was first finished, and over the years it has reddened and gotten very beautiful. It has a tiger sort of chistoyance effect, and you can see that these sort of match. These guys match together because it was all one piece of wood at one time. The top is actually 4 pieces of wood. Well, I cut a piece of wood into 4 pieces, tried to book match it as good as I could. I did tongue and groove joining here, here, and here, so there'd be no warping. And the bottom is, I just put some felt on the bottom. The bottom is actually Spanish cedar that's jointed into the, you can't see it because of the Spanish cedar, but it's jointed in. The top is Spanish cedar, as are some inlays in the side. The humidity is 73%. I don't have any cigars in here. I smoked them up the other day. Got some scraps of some cedar. I like to keep so much cedar in here because I like that flavor and aroma. Got an old foam humidifier, which does fine. I actually kind of went, these are nice brass hinges, but I kind of went cheap on them because it was my first build, and they've been fine. If they're not as nice as the corner ones, I put those on most of my other humidors. I just want to do a quick video on this and show. I may have to make a few more of these someday. I've kind of gotten out of it. I've been more into other things, mostly building fishing lures. But thanks for looking.